All right, so it's the morning of day 4 and it's time to fit the front fascia. So as the team over here holds it up there, I'm gonna mark a couple holes to get this thing lined up and we can get the bolts in here. At this point, the car looks pretty complete, but it really isn't. We got the boys from Maximum Motorsports here to do all the suspension. We're gonna get some brakes on. Let's get to work.
In this episode of Week to Wicked, presented by Continental Tire, where in 5 days we will take this factory stock 2013 Mustang GT and turn it into a high-performance street machine. Follow along at Mustang360.com for stories and galleries, including behind-the-scenes footage through our social networks.
One of Mike Johnson's favorite tools.
Got him?
We got tires and wheels.
All right. Hey,
Hey.
I won't say anything, dude.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean, right?
Well, yeah, you finally got me the right truck to drive. Yeah.
So the weirdest thing happened. I got a call from Mike and he sounded worried. So I'm all, what's up, dude? And he's all, can you come get the truck for me? And I'm all, what happened? It break down? He's all, no, dude, it's fast and I'm scared. And I'm all, what do you mean you're scared? He's all, I'm scared to drive it back. I think I warned him beforehand.
Excuse me while I use the man step here too.
Yeah,
well.
most cars don't have steps, but okay.
Yeah, here you go.
Whatever,
See,
yeah, good thing you had that.
Makes it a lot easier.
Uh-huh.
Can you handle these?
Oh, I can handle that and the drive back with the Chevy, no problem.
Looks like you're struggling a little bit.
Yeah, they're a little heavy.
I think you need Christian over here to help you.
Yeah, that's possible. If people only knew.
Pleasure doing business with you.
Yep. Like I said, hey, our secret is safe.
Right, I appreciate that.
You got it, buddy. Hey, Colton with Maximum Motorsports. We're here working on the 2013 Mustang for the Week to Wicked. We started with the rear. We already did the lower control arms and relocation brackets to get the anti-squat correct. We did the panhard bar to make sure the axle stays center. We also did some Coney single adjustables in our springs. Now we're up front of the car. We got the K-member in there and we're squaring that up. We got the frame blocks on there which hold the engine in, so we can actually remove the K-member and move it around if we need to without having to worry about the engine. Earlier we used our tool to hold up the engine, so you don't have to go out and find something to do that with. Main advantage with our K-member is going to be that we made it way stiffer than stock and also fixed geometry, especially for a lowered car. So now we're going to be good to go.
Where would I take the car? Maybe down old Route 66. Yeah, I've been down that road before. That's pretty nice. Probably have the window down, you know, just looking cool. Bumping some cool music, maybe some Aussie, you know, maybe some CCR. Maybe my girlfriend next to me with her hair blowing in the wind. Just being cool.
I guess I'd like to fill the entire car in exactly what it can do from acceleration to top speed and braking, cornering,
everything, just to push the car to its limit.
With the modifications that this car has and having well over 600 horsepower, all the suspension components that Maximum Motorsports has thrown at it, high speed, good cornering, hard braking zones, I think would really put this car to the test.
Some nice twisty mountain roads. Carolinas, northern Georgia, eastern Tennessee, that type of area on a cool spring morning. You know, I've been married 26 years, so I can't think of anyone else but my wife to be by my side and, you know, have a great day. So it'd have to be Mulholland Drive, either my kids, Gabrielle and Drew, or my girlfriend, Karen. Karen, she doesn't really do well in the turns. So I think my kids would have a lot of fun, and I would do my best to scare the crap out of them.
I think I would definitely grab my wife and my 11-year-old twin boys and take a ride up to PCH in California. They haven't been out here, and I'd love to show them the West Coast, and what a better way of doing it is a 2013 Mustang with Conti tires.
All right, so it's the end of day 4, and the guys from Maximum Motorsports have finished the rear suspension, and they're about 85% done with the front. We'll be back tomorrow to wrap it up. We also have to do the exhaust, the brakes, the shifter, bleed the clutch out, and we'll be doing a burnout. So we'll see you tomorrow.